PowerPoint presentation tungkol sa Object-Oriented Programming or OOP. Types of diagram. Activity diagram are often used in business process modeling. They can also describe the step in use case diagram. Activities model can be sequential, concurrent. In both cases, an activity diagram will have a beginning, an initial state, and end of a final state. Case diagram. In the Unified Modeling Language or UML, a use case diagram can summarize the details of your system user, also known as actors, and their interactions with the system. To build one, you use a set of specialized symbols and connectors. An effective use case diagram can help your team discuss and represent. Interaction Overview Diagram. The interaction overview diagram focuses on the overview of the flow of control of the interactions. It is a variant of the activity diagram where the nodes are the interactions or interactions occurrences. The interactions overview diagram describes the interactions where messages and lifelines are hidden. You can link up the real diagrams and achieve a high degree of navigability. State machine UML diagram are used to capture the behavior of software system. UML state machine diagrams can be used to model the behavior of class, a subsystem, and a package, or even an entire system. It is also called a state chart or state transition diagram. Sequence UML diagram are interaction diagrams that detail how operations are carried out. They capture the interaction between objects in the context of a collaboration. Sequence diagrams are time-focused and they show the order of the interaction visually by using the vertical axis of the diagram to represent time, what messages are sent, and when. Class diagram. This UML class diagram is a graphical notation used to construct and visualize object-oriented system. A class diagram in the Unified Modeling Language is a type of static structure diagram that describes the structure of a system by showing the system. Object diagram. Object diagrams represent an instance of a class diagram. The basic concepts are similar for class diagrams and object diagram. Object diagrams are also represent the static view of a system, but the static view is a snapshot of the system at a particular moment. Component diagram. Component diagrams are different in terms of nature and behavior. Components diagrams are used to model the physical aspect of a system. Now, the question is, what are the physical aspects? Physical aspects are the elements such as executables, libraries, files, documents, etc., which resides in a node.